What an awful smell! Hello everyone, today I will introduce you a powerful, effective air purifier. It will be your solution for air pollution. Here is the air purifier. You can see that it's not too big. You can put it anywhere you want, like living room, kitchen, office, and bedroom. We have 4 ways to control it. The first way, you can operate through the control panel. After touching the power button, you can see the menu here. You can adjust 3 different fan speeds by touching this button. And touch this to switch to sleep mode. The light will turn off and machine runs at low speed and low noise. And it adapts to soothing sound to help you fall asleep quickly. There are also other functions like timer, check filter, indicator, auto button, and child lock. The second way is remote control. You can control it within about 5 meters, sitting on the sofa, and you can remote control it easily. The third way is through the app. You can set schedule and adjust fan speed while you are away from home. You can always know the air quality of your home on your cell phone anywhere, anytime. The fourth way is intelligent voice control. Hi Alexa, turn on the purifier. The green, yellow, red, 3-color LED lights and PM 2.5 value will remind you of air quality in real time. You can see the air quality by your eyes. The most important part of this air purified is the filter. It is equipped with true HEPA filter with 4 layers. With the high-efficiency filtration system, the air purifier covers an area up to 36 square meters. CADR can reach 210 cubic meters per hour. The filter is easy to replace. Twist this handle, you can take it off. With this air purifier, you can get rid of odors and annoying smells, enjoy the natural fresh air. Why not you get one for your family? OEM and ODM services and sample is acceptable. If you are interested, contact us. We are waiting for you.